Hey guys and gals, it's Toyota Tony RC. That's the new name for the channel because I didn't like the other one, so we switched it to that so people kind of understand like what I'm doing here, me and my friends. Figure I'd show you the finished product. Here's the F-18, all finished. It does need batteries. I put just basically a set of batteries in there just to kind of start it up. The only thing left to do is weigh it for the center of gravity, and we're going to run it at 100. Book says 88, way too nose heavy. Really hard to get it slowed down and get a soft landing. If you run it at 100, a lot easier. I do have this, I decided to set it up, leave the setup the way it was. This one, the Blue Angels over there, I'm running that on the conventional setup. This one, we have it set up like its full scale counterpart, and I will demonstrate that to you guys. So here's a right turn, left, up, down, okay.
Flight mode 3 landing flaps.
Full span flaps, rudder toe,
Flight mode 2
takeoff flaps.
Flight mode 1.
And then your rudders itself. Now I do have everything on the high rate just so you guys can see it. A couple modifications to the jet. A couple more that I didn't show you guys. In the landing bay area, I'll show you the batteries I have in here as well. Here's the compartment all done up with all the wiring, receiver. Kind of hard to see if you look past the afterburner module. See if I can pull this back far enough for you to see. If you look down there, see that blind nut? Okay, what that does, that goes into the landing bay area. In the landing bay area, if you look right here, this nut, okay, it screws on to the retract box. These are notorious for being weak, okay? And what happens is you have a rough landing, it'll tear it out. Another thing I do, this wall right here on the side of the jet is generally a little on the weak side. If you look, what I did, I put a piece of fiberglass in there. Fiberglass, some epoxy, wrapped around the corner. It makes this good and strong. Makes it real good and strong and robust. In the back, we didn't do anything, but we did paint the landing gear, as you can see. See, it came out really well. I did have one sticker kind of peeling up a little bit, so I'm gonna have to kind of figure that out. So I'm about a couple weeks away from maiden. We have Easter this week, as you all know. We're not going to be flying this weekend because of that. So what we're going to do is I'm going to order the batteries hopefully by Friday. I'm hoping to have them in about 2 weeks. So stay tuned, and we're going to do a maiden. We'll take it out. We'll do a maiden flight on it. I'll get you a video of it so you can see how the jet performs, as well as you can see the afterburners, the way they're set up in the back. They're really hard to see. You can kind of see them right there and there. The whole back of this jet will light up orange. But in the meantime, stay tuned. Next we're going to move on to this one. This one here, the new one's going to be laid out on the bench, and we'll start building the wings. I got some modifications I'm going to actually do to the wings for the Corsair. A friend of mine, he's going to modify the fuselage. I'm going to modify the wings because Corsairs with the gull wing have a habit of folding, especially one that I bought. It's a Phoenix model, great model, but after about 300 flights, it's possible the wings could fold up. So I will show you the reinforcement we're going to put in, and I'll show you how we put the retracts in and all that. So for now, it's Toyota Tony signing off. Have a great night, and I'll see you on the next video.